Hey everyone! Let's jump into the new sounds in Incredibox. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy it.
What a wonderful performance!
If I leave, I know you will follow me. If I leave, I know you will.
Nice dance!
Jump higher and higher. Did you ever change yourself into a needle?
I like mixing music.
Take me for a little child and ask me for more compromise. But do you like your adult life? You take me for a little child and ask me for more compromise. But do you like your adult life?
Wow, it sounds very nice.
Take my hand for this night, and I will guide you until the dance. Wall of heaven and light on fire will show you how to dance. Take my hand for this night, and I will guide you until the dance. Wall of heaven and light on fire will show you how to dance. All over the world. Sunrise, be free to run. Sunrise over your head, be free to jump.
Wow, that beatbox is awesome! Amazing performance, wow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious.
Wow, a performance so good even my goosebumps have goosebumps. The solo performance sounds awesome too. I like mixing music. Thank you for watching the video with comments till the end. Please subscribe. I'll keep the funny videos coming.